well before the sunrise here. We are on our way out to go chase striper. We have no clients booked today, so we are going to go out, Jeff and I, and fish. We're going to leave empty pockets at the house today. We're going to take the big Lund. We are in the desert. There is nothing out there. Nothing. Nothing. We're gonna go over there. There's a big X in the sky. That's what we've resorted to. All of our expertise is where we're gonna go. Where two jets made an X. We're going to go right below it. Makes a lot of sense if you don't think about it. Well, when your graph looks like that. Nothing? Okay. There's a stripper.
Nice little dink.
Cool. What's next on your
It is.
What is it? Basic setup, rod holder stuff.
Basic setup.
So maybe there you go. Here we go, baby. Oh no! How you feeling about YouTube, Jeff? Should I turn the camera off?
And I felt him. I had it. I got it out of the rod holder. And I felt him.
Man.
If this comes in and there's no hook on it, it's a guard. So
there you go.
I think it was a striker. Nope, I just suck in as a striker.
You don't suck. We're filming. We were filming there, and
Jeff lost the lake record.
Yeah, Jeff lost lake record, so actually I think it's probably my fault. But we're filming, and man, we're about to film. We're discussing the next take, which is the setup and the layout, and that rod took off. So we've already got one fish today. Did not get it on. We got a little bit on film after the hook. We didn't get this one on the hook, but it doesn't matter because we didn't friggin' land it. So we're about to finish up today, so hopefully we get another one before we do. Look how fat that is. That's why it was. They're full of, that was a fun fight though. Oh yeah, look at him. He's